All right, the Olight Winter Editions. This is the Olight Warrior 3S in the titanium. Love this light. Next, we've got the Seeker 4 Pro. It's like a silver plated edition. Makes it really heavy. It's a heavy light. And then we got the Warrior Mini 2. This is the Air Edition. Then we got the Baton Pro. It's an older light. It's a lot of fun. I added that blue clip to it. Kind of make it pop a little bit. Next we have the Olight Winter 2. The titanium. You can see the little snowflake there. Then this is the S2R Baton 2. Another older light. The blue bezel really pops. That's fun. Then this is the Arkfeld Winter Edition. Another little snowflake there. Winter 3, okay. We got the i5R. It's that titanium. Love the purple writing on it. Then we have the Olight i3T titanium edition. Love the little cutouts. I use these lights all the time, especially on a hat bill. And this is the Seeker 4 Mini in the titanium. It's a great little light. It's also got a UV light. We got the Baton 3, another little snowflake. It's got snowflakes all over it. This is the winter edition. It's a very, very pretty light. Next we got the IXV in the titanium. Nice little keychain light. Speaking of, we've got the iThanks. These are a little bit smaller, but they're a lot of fun. And then we got the O-Clip Pro wrapping paper edition and the O-Clip Ultra. And then you got the Type-C charging on both of them. Clip, clip. Next up, we got these i3Es keychain lights, the Snowflake editions. Oh, they're a lot of fun. Then we got the Baton 3 and Baton 4. Kind of look like candy cane editions. They're a lot of fun. Or wrapping paper. I love those. Then we got the Red Warrior Nano. It's a very powerful little light. And this is just the i3T. It's a Snowflake edition. I think they did that last year. And this is another iThanks. Kind of goes with that green one and the white one. Then we got the Seeker 4 Pro in that glossy red. It's so pretty. And this is the Olight Diffuser. This is a powerful light too for the size that it is. And if y'all want more information on each of these lights, you can look at my channel. And this is the Arkfeld Pro in that wrapping paper edition. It's a lot of fun. It's got a lot of features on this light. I love my Arkfelds. And then you've got the Seeker 4 in this pretty red edition. And then this one, yep, it has the Type C charging, Type C charging port on it. So that makes it really nice, charges fast. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you'd like. Have a good day.